Greetings. So, in today's class, we'll be starting with form and content. So, in previous class, we spoke about the benefits of using LaTeX, where we understood how it is a incredibly powerful software in building a stable output. In today's class, we will be creating our first document and we'll be looking at some interesting points of LaTeX. The first one is about form and content. Authors should not be distracted by formatting issues. So that's so true for an author. If he's always going to look at how the document is going to look when he is typing, then the content might be missed out. So author is given an option to focus on the content and you can format the document logically. So logical formatting is one of the hardcore concepts of LaTeX, which we will be discussing in further classes. Instead of writing a chapter title in big bold letters, you'll rather tell LaTeX that it is just a chapter title. Let LaTeX design at once for the whole document what titles should look like. Obviously, you can change how it looks like um, by giving the proper macros for the LaTeX. But the point here is you need not define the title with its formatting every now and then. You just define it once and for all for the entire document in LaTeX. And LaTeX uses style files, which are called classes, and packages, which is a combination of classes, making it easy to design and modify the entire document's appearance. So that is one thing about LaTeX. The second one is portability. LaTeX is portable in three ways. So you can see the source. The tech distributions runs almost on every operating system. You can download the tech distributions and run it on any of the hardware. The second one is implementation. There is no specific GUI for LaTeX. You have an distribution that is an engine and you built a text editor, a document in text editor. Any text editor can be used and you run the text editor's macros onto the engine. So there is essentially no GUI specific to LaTeX and it produces outputs like PDF, DVI, PostScript, HTML. So a variety of outputs can be generated out of LaTeX. So this ensures the portability of LaTeX. Protection of your work. One important thing when it comes to any particular documentation software is your work needs to be protected and it must be stable across any version. So LaTeX documents are stored in human readable text format. There is no issue of version mismatch. So the visual appearance remains the same. Although LaTeX is getting developed further, it is always backward compatible. And it is also protected from virus threat and malicious macros in a particular text file. So when compared to a normal word processor, the issue of version mismatch is completely overcome. How to get started with LaTeX? Though writing LaTeX looks like programming, we need not be afraid because soon we will be become familiar with the frequently used commands. Also, a text editor like TeXmaker helps in auto-completing the commands and it also highlights the keywords used in the commands. This course will give you a quick start into the LaTeX so that it will be giving you creditable results. There is a support forum which was written by Stephen Kotwitz. Uh, it is https slash latex.org. You can go there, and if you have any questions, you can ask in that forum. So friendly persons are over there who could suggest you with solutions for the issues that you are facing. And let's talk about approaches to working with LaTeX. So there are two approaches. The traditional way is to install the tech distribution into your computer. Another way is to use the cloud. No installation is required. However, an internet connection is needed with the hardware, like a computer or a tablet or a smartphone. And this is how the Tech Maker window will look like after installation. As I said in the previous class, you need to first install the MyTech console, followed by the Tech Maker installation. After installing, you can directly go ahead and open the Tech Maker to begin with your first document. So you can launch the TechWorks or the Tech Maker, editor. You can click on creating a new document from file menu, and then you write the piece of code. The code says backslash document class article backslash begin document. This is our first document, so that is the one that is going to get printed, and backslash end document. So first you're defining the document class as article. You're starting the document and you're ending the document, before which you write what needs to be printed. As you complete the code, you press Ctrl S and save the document in a folder that is preferable for you. Make sure to run the particular piece of command with the following settings. You need to select the PDF LaTeX in the drop down of the TechMaker, and then you click run and then click view. The output window will open, creating your first document. So let us see an example. So in TechMaker, you will be using the file option to create a new project, new tech file. After you press the new tech file, the labels and blocks will get created, but that is not of much importance to us now. You will be having the command window where you can write the commands. So you write the commands that we are expecting you to write. After you have written that, you can go ahead and press run and then press view. So once you complete this, you will be generating your first PDF document using LaTeX. So that's how you do your first document using LaTeX. Thank you. And in next class, we will be speaking about how to use the online editor like Overleaf to do such a exercise. Thank you.